Good morning, welcome to Moneyline. Today we have some football games going on. It's Saturday morning, a lot of games here, and then the first game we have today is in England Premier League. The game between Arsenal taking on Newcastle, and my prediction here is under 4.5 goals. The next game we have is in Spain La Liga, where Barcelona is taking on Getafe, and my prediction is under 3.5 goals. We move on to England Premier League, where Manchester United is taking on Fulham under 3.5 goals. The next game we have is in Spain Amateur League, where SD Pontevedra is taking on Real Sociedad San, and my prediction is under 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in German Amateur, where ASV Cham is taking on New Düsseldorf, and my prediction is under 4.5 goals. We move on to England Amateur, where Hashtag United is taking on Whitechapel, and my prediction is under 4.5 goals. We move on to Scotland Premiership, where Hibernian is taking on Dundee, and my prediction is under 3.5 goals. The next one we have is in Hungary Division 1, where Dozgori VTK is taking on Fehava FC, and my prediction is under 3.5 goals. Next game we have is in Croatia, where HNK Sibela is taking on Origent Rijeka. My prediction is under 3.5 goals. The next one we have is in France National League, where Aubagne FC is taking on Chamalia, and my prediction is under 2.5 goals. The next one we have here is a game in the England Germany Amateur, where TSV Bubak is taking on Eintracht Bamberg, and my prediction is under 3.5 goals. We have a premium platform where we give short odds on daily basis. You want to join our VIP and win money? My WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Please, I don't share free games in my WhatsApp. Kindly check this channel every morning or this Facebook page and play our free games. Okay, moving on, we have a game in Italy Serie C, where Brescia is taking on Regina, and my prediction is under 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in Wales Amateur League, where Ahmedford is taking on Brighton Ferry, and my prediction is under 4.5 goals. The last game we have here is a game in the England Amateur League, where Rochdale Rovers is taking on Redland United, and my prediction is under 4.5 goals. Please do not forget to drop where you are watching us from, and also hit the like button and share this video with your friends. We have a total of 14 matches, a total of 100 odds, so bet responsibly. I'll see you guys after the game.